So you might be in this random situation where you're basically running into this SS07 Snapchat error code. So maybe you're trying to load up Snapchat and you keep seeing this particular error code that keeps coming up. Now, there's a couple of different ways to go and fix this for the most part, but the main way to go and do this is by actually making your way over into your Snapchat account settings online and unlocking your particular account. Now, the reason why you're getting this pop-up is because Snapchat thinks that you're like a bot or you're doing like suspicious activity, spamming, different things like that. So if you want to go ahead and overcome this, you have to remember that you have to go through and basically stop doing those types of activities. Now, make your way over to the Snapchat unlock account, portal. So right here, you can go and basically just type in Snapchat, unlock login. You should be able to find that login page somewhere, but if not, just tap onto the first option. If you scroll to this part right here, it says who can unlock my account. You can go through and log in here and then click on unlock your account. So come here, go to accounts.snapchat.com. So you can just log in this way and you want to log into your Snapchat account. And from there, you want to basically just go through and you want to, log into your account. There should be an unlock button that comes up after, and you should be able to unlock your account that way. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you might want to go and see if there's a problem with Snapchat. Like if you are totally fine, if you don't think you are doing anything suspicious, you can try making your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and try updating your Snapchat application. That's kind of another option you can do to kind of fix this problem. And if you can update it, that can be another way to go and fix this. So those are the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.